Next is about the point of sale module. There are two terminals for the point of sale module in our system, which is POS backend, and this is the point of sale which is used for touch screen. So these are the two terminals for using the point of sale module. Clicking on the POS backend over here. First, before creating, this is a in daily operations we can we can create a point of sale order. Over here all the point of sale orders are listed. Before creating a POS order, there are three main configurations which we must do. First of all, click on configuration and then payment methods. Now over here we can create a point of sale journal, a journal name, which is very important for generating a POS order. Okay, and after that we need to configure the put money in option. We have to create a product. We have to create a put money in option, and over here this is added as a product, put money in, and after that in a similar way we have to add take money out option also. So these three things must be configured at first, and then to create a POS order we can click on create. Okay, the main benefit of a point of sale order is that we can sell a product without noting the name of a customer or his address or anything. We can just note the time and the order reference and the product and the quantity, the unit price. Only such details will be taken into account. Okay, we can select a product, and then we can, if you want discounts, we can give discounts, and we can and after it is selected, after all the order lines are created, we can do the payment by clicking on the payment button. Payment mode, we can select the journal which we had created before, point of sale journal, and then make the payment. And now the payment has been done. And if you want to return the product, there's a button to return the product. Okay, and we can also the reports are automatically generated. Once we can click on the reprint option to print the POS order. And if we want to put in money into our register, we can just type in a reason like refund amount, and then select the put in money which we had created before as a product, and then the cash register which we had defined, which is the point of sale journal, and the amount which we have to put into our cash register. Okay, now the money is put in. Similar way we can take out money from the cash register by selecting those options. And this is the cash register management. So by clicking on, we can open all cash registers by clicking on open cash register, and then by clicking here we can open all the registers. Then to close the cash register, click on the close cash register button, and then to view all the cash registers you can click on the list of cash registers. So all the cash registers will be visible. We can create a new cash register by clicking on the create button, and we can easily create a new cash register. So for creating a cash register we need a name and the journal which we had created before in the configuration payment methods, and then the period of that financial year must be set over here, and the transactions related to that cash register will be listed over here in the cash transactions. which is easily visible over here, and the date, and the total closing balance. The closing balance will be computed over here. If we want to close the checkbox, we have to balance all the accounting. Before closing a checkbox, we can't close the checkbox just by clicking here. We have to compute the balance. Click on the edit, and then click on checkbox. You have to create and compute the balance. If it is 60,000, you can click 60. Okay, we have to okay, once it's the closing balance is set, we can close that checkbox. Okay, now the checkbox is closed, and over here now that cash register is not listed because only the open is filtered out. Okay. So clear it, we can see our previous cash register, and then yeah, so these are the main things related to the back end of the point of sale. And in the front, in the touch screen terminal of the POS, over here we have to open that cash register. So open the register. Okay, this cash register is opened. Okay, now these are the products available: sugar, battery. All these products are right now linked with the POS module. We can link a product with the POS module by clicking on the products. Like, we can see it in the backend, POS backend. Select the POS backend and click on products. There's a POS category. Right now it's others, and then click on the product. These are all the products visible, but for a product to be visible in the POS, we have to select the POS category over here, and likewise a product will be added to the POS. We can view it on the terminal, after the screen terminal, and this touch screen terminal works like there's a simple way of adding the products. You just have to click on it. If you click on it once, then the quantity will be 1, and if you click again, it will become 2. So likewise, we can just easily add products simply by clicking on it, and then discounts also can be applied to it by clicking on discount and then adding the discount to it, and then once the payment is over, we can close it by clicking on point of sale journal and then validate it. So the amount is calculated, and the print, we can take out the print, and the next order can be taken by clicking on the next order. So this is an easy way of using the touchscreen terminal for POS. The customer's name, such details won't be taken into account. Only the point of sale details and the product details, quantity, and the amount will be registered in the cash register. It can be viewed. Okay, by clicking on the close button, we can close the cash register. There is an option: do you want to close the cash register? Yes. So that daily accounts can be handled easily by closing the cash register on a daily basis. So daily operations, we can view it on the POS orders, and likewise we can track all the details. So this is all about POS, point of sale module.